Hey everyone! Did you hide some maps on your iPhone and now you can't find them? Or maybe you want to bring a hidden app back to your home screen. Today I'm showing you exactly how to unhide apps on iPhone. I'm using my iPhone 13 with iOS 18, but this works on any iPhone or iPad running iOS 18 or later. This is super easy. Let's get into it. Here's how to access your hidden apps folder. From your home screen, swipe left all the way until you reach the app library. That's the last page with all your apps organized in folders. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the app library screen and look for a folder called Hidden with a padlock icon next to it. Tap on Hidden and your iPhone will prompt you for Face ID or your passcode. Authenticate to unlock the folder, and now you can see all your hidden apps. These are all the apps you've hidden. They're still here, just invisible from your home screen. Now let's bring an app back to your home screen. From inside the hidden folder where we just were, find the app you want to unhide. For this example, I'll unhide Instagram. Press and hold on the app icon for about 2 seconds until a menu pops up. In the menu, you'll see an option that says Don't require Face ID or Show on home screen, depending on your iOS version. Tap on Don't require Face ID, and your iPhone may ask you to authenticate with Face ID one more time. Just look at your phone. Done! The app will immediately reappear on your home screen. It's no longer hidden, and the app is back to normal. Anyone can see it and open it without Face ID. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. And that's everything. Now you know exactly how to find and unhide apps on iPhone. If this helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll answer them all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.